Never lose money. Rule number 2, never forget rule number 1.
What's inside Warren Buffett's portfolio? Berkshire Hathaway's annual meeting will be held in person in Omaha on April 30th, after 2 years of virtual gathering due to COVID-19 restrictions. The meeting has drawn unprecedented attention of global investors for one simple reason. Warren Buffett is back among the richest 5 people in the world as the wealth of Silicon Valley tycoons are shrinking amid steep drops in global market with the pandemic still on. How to understand the recent fluctuation of US stock market? How to obtain steady returns from unsteady markets? What's the logic of portfolio reallocation? Tiger Brokers will follow Berkshire Hathaway's annual meeting with 36KR. Let's learn the newest ideas of the Charm of Omaha together. First of all, let's review the latest portfolio of Warren Buffett. Berkshire Hathaway held 5.32% stake in Apple, 8.5% stake in Coca-Cola, 23.12% stake in Kraft Heinz, the company producing Oreos, 14% stake in Bank of America, 8.25% stake in BYD by the end of 2021. In terms of stock positions, top 10 companies weigh 90% of Berkshire Hathaway's portfolio, in which Apple is the largest holding, comprising 47.6% of the portfolio. The second largest portion are bank stocks. Bank of America, US Bancorp, and Bank of New York Mellon together account for 17% of the portfolio. Consumer stocks rank third, like Coca-Cola Company and Kraft Heinz represent 10.69% of the portfolio. The rest are dispersed in industries like energy, insurance, and public utilities. Let's give an inside look at why Buffett chose these stocks. Investment in Coca-Cola. Buffett himself is a faithful consumer of Coca-Cola and realizes that Coca-Cola has a strong brand effect and has built a superior distribution system throughout the world. Investments in banks. People will always have the need for safe places to deposit and loan money. So banks have wide moats with monopolizing characteristics and strong customer stickiness. Investment in Apple. For Buffett, Apple is more like consumer goods. From 2016, Apple overcame early barriers during tech stock growth and became a company with great moats, steady profits, and durable competitiveness. Looking at Buffett's holdings, it is not difficult to see that good targets are closely related to people's daily life, which means these targets' products are easy to buy with endless demand. Another feature of Buffett's portfolio is stick to long-term investing principle, which means highly concentrated and stable. Amazon founder Jeff Bezos once asked Buffett, "Your investment thesis is so simple. You're the second richest guy in the world. Why doesn't everyone just copy you?" And Buffett answered, "Because nobody wants to get rich slow." 99% of Buffett's wealth was earned after age 50. So let's learn to be friends of time. Another factor in his value investment strategy should not be ignored is that the US bull markets lasted way longer than bear markets. Buffett himself once said that being born in a middle-class family was like winning ovarian lottery. Investment, in essence, is betting on the future of a country. S&P 500 has grown by more than 140 times over the last 70 years. A prosperous future is the foundation of value investment profits. His key investment strategy can be concluded as seeking enterprises with sustainable growth protected by wide economic moats and holding them for the long term. Got it?